This video answers the search, how to buy shares of Aehr Test System. Aehr Test System makes semiconductor test and burn-in systems and trades on NASDAQ under the ticker AEHR, and this guide is for educational purposes only and not financial advice. To buy Aehr, you need a brokerage account. I'll use eToro as the example platform to demonstrate the steps. After registering, you must verify your account, usually by uploading an identity document, and you will need to add funds before placing a trade. Use the platform's search bar and enter the ticker AEHR to find the company listing. Locate the result that shows Aehr Test System on NASDAQ to ensure it is the correct stock. Open the asset page to review basic company information in the price chart. Confirm the name, NASDAQ listing, and ticker to make sure you have selected the correct Aehr share. To invest, click the Trade or Buy button, enter the amount you want to spend, then review the order details and confirm. If the market is closed, the order may be queued or executed at the next session, and if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before it can be confirmed. Your new position will appear in the portfolio once executed, and you can monitor it there. For convenience, the eToro link is in the description below.